I mean, I could, but why would I want to?
I've been waiting for the world to spin my way. I've been waiting for a glance at the sun. And I've been waiting for the world to spin my way. I've been waiting for a chance, and I think it's finally come. 'Cause after all, I don't care what they do, and I don't care what they know, and I don't care what they say about me now. No one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying by, away from them. And no one can see me now. I'm miles above you. Don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above. I'm miles above you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of vlogs. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel 20,000 times better than I had yesterday and the day before. But it's Ashlynne here. Welcome back to vlog day number 9. I'm just gonna go down to the pond and show you guys how cute it is. So let's go. So here we are out in the nature. I'm so bad at accents, guys. I'm so sorry. But let's just play along with me, okay? I've been sick for a few days. Well, technically 1, but I'm going to count it as 2. Oh, we just went through some quicksand there. We are going to go to the Great Lakes in the ocean down below. I'm not meant out for this, but here we are. We've made it to the greatest water source in the world. It's going to keep us all alive. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Now, there are many wild creatures out here, so we've got to be very careful. I hate myself so much sometimes. Just kidding, I don't. I actually love myself. Because, don't put yourself down. Let's be happy. I ate some Snickers today because, you know, the water looks a little bit reflective. I really hope you guys can hear me because it is kind of windy. But, you know, it's all good. Oh, I just got my foot wet. I'm sick and I'm cold. Okay, which way is best? This way? Please be this way. Look at it from right here. The water looks so cool. It's all ripply. That looks so cool. Hey guys, so I never really told you where I was. So right now I'm at my grandpa's. We're just doing a little checky check here because he lives here half the year and then half the year somewhere else, in another house. But right now we are just about to leave and I'm just in my car waiting. Guys, we're in Target. We're in Walmart and we're just in the holiday Easter seasonal section. Yeah. That's all we're doing. Easter eggs. Some little grass. Doesn't say filler. I really want to touch it. Ooh, yellow is my favorite color.
They got holes in all of them.
They're supposed to. Oh no, yeah.
Not in the side.
Okay, I'm being a big kid, or a little kid, I guess. Right now, I'm just strolling through all the kids' toys. Yeah, and it's makes me feel like my childhood is just completely gone. Crazy. Okay, I was never really a fan of Barbies. I was more of a Kelly doll kind of person. Monopoly. It's cool. Puzzle section. Ooh, games. This is the best aisle right here. Let's see. Just what I'm looking at. Kinetic sand. Oh my goodness. Play-Doh. Party bag.
Whatever you do, I'll be cold.
You never let me down. You take the best day I have my game, you turn it around.
Oh, Katie knows how to play.
It's so simple,
Hello.
sweet.
It smells like bleach over here. Or like people are staring at me. They're so rude. Okay, so we are just headed away from Walmart and headed back to my house or home, whatever you want to call it. So we are headed. Ooh. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to end the vlog here. Please give us a like, a comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, that looks so cute. All you can see is the heart.